We'll guide you through how to color with Lasso tool in Krita. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because selecting and filling colors cleanly in Krita can be difficult for beginners. Open Krita on your computer and begin by creating a new canvas with your preferred dimensions and resolution. Import or draw your line art clearly on the canvas so it is ready for coloring. Create a new layer below the line art layer and rename this layer color to keep your workspace organized. Select the Freehand Selection Tool and carefully draw around the area you want to color. Make sure to close the selection shape completely so the area is properly defined. You will see moving dashed lines indicating the active selection. Choose your desired color from the color picker, then select the Fill tool and click inside the selection. The area will be filled cleanly with your chosen color. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus A to deselect the area when finished. Repeat this process for other parts of the artwork as needed. Use zoom to get better precision when working on small or detailed areas. Draw your selection slowly to maintain accuracy and use smooth curves when outlining shapes. If you make mistakes, fix them quickly using the undo function. And try using feather to create softer edges. You can also use a brush inside the selection for more detailed coloring. Add shadows by creating a new layer above the color layer and set it to multiply mode. Use the Lasso tool again to select shading areas and fill them with a darker color. Lower the opacity of this layer to achieve smooth shading. Keep your colors consistent throughout the artwork for a balanced look. Finally, save your artwork in your preferred file format. Check your Layers panel regularly to ensure everything is placed correctly and nothing is accidentally edited on the wrong layer. Adjust colors if needed using hue and saturation tools to improve harmony. Take your time reviewing each section before moving forward. Once everything looks complete and polished, make a final save and consider exporting a copy for sharing online or printing as needed.